Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Okay guys, today I am doing whole face using only Maybelline products, and Maybelline products as a range is a very beautiful range, and all their products are very good and very affordable. I thought why not share with you guys a video only using Maybelline products. So let's get started with the video. So the first product which I am using of Maybelline is Maybelline foundation. So it's a super stay full coverage foundation. It's a very good foundation. If you want me to do a review on this, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll do it for you. It's a very good foundation and it gives you very good coverage. So I'm using this. I'll take a pump of this. Okay guys, I have taken the pump of Maybelline foundation. Now I'm applying all over my face. Okay guys, you can see the coverage of this foundation is really good. It's a very good product. I really like this foundation. I have not used the concealer also today, but it has given me literally full coverage. You can see. So now we are done with the foundation. Now I will set my face with this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I have done a review on this. You can go and check it out. It's a very good loose powder from Maybelline, and it really helps to set your face very properly. You can set your face with this. I'm using this and setting my face, taking a beauty blender and just setting under my eyes. The texture of this loose powder is literally thick. You can see. I will just show you. You can see the texture of this is thick and it really gives you very good coverage. So you just have to apply it and it will really give you a good coverage. Maybelline as a brand really makes very good product, and in an affordable range anyone can buy it. You can see. Now we are done with the loose powder. I have set my face. Now what we will use is, now we will contour our face. Now this product of Maybelline, this is 3-in-1 product of Maybelline. I really love this product. When you are traveling or something, it's very travel friendly. You have 3 things together. I'll show you. Contour, blush and highlight. It's a very good product. You don't need to carry alag se. It's a very good thing. So I really like this. So I'm using the blush. Okay, now I'm using this contour. I will use this contour. I will take this and contour my face. Now we have done with the contouring. Okay guys, so now what I'm doing is I'm taking my foundation. I've taken my foundation. Now we are taking the foundation on the brush. And what I'm doing is I'm using this and drawing an eyeliner with this. You can see. Now what I'll do is I'll take my this palette and I'll take this brown color, this contour color on my brush and just use it over the foundation. I'm taking this highlighter and I'll just take it on my brush and just apply it over there. So you can see guys how beautiful it's looking. These are some tip and tricks you can use for using an eyeliner if you're traveling and you don't want to carry very much products. So only these products and you can change your game of your eye also. I have used only the foundation. I have done the liner, and after that on that I have applied my highlighter. You can see the look. And now I'm doing my second eye. So again we will take a foundation. We'll take a foundation on the brush and now I'll draw a liner. Okay, now I'm done with the liner. I'm taking my contour shade, this one, on my brush and I'll just apply over that. After that I'll take my highlighter. I'm taking my highlighter and I'll just, the line I've drawn I'll apply over there. You can see guys, this can really change your look and you have to travel very light, so you can only use less products and do maximum makeup. So this is the trick what I use. Now now what we'll do is, now we will apply mascara. It's a Maybelline mascara. It's a waterproof mascara. So I'm applying this. Now we are done with the mascara and we'll take the same brush and we'll apply on the lower, we'll take the same brush and we'll apply on the lower lid of our eye the contour color. So I'm taking that color and just applying on the lower lid. I'm taking my highlighter and I will highlight my face with this. This is the Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. It's a very good highlighter and it's a very affordable highlighter also. So that's why I was saying Maybelline is, as a brand, is a very good brand, and their products are also very affordable and are very good also. In this range you get very good products. So I'm using this Master Chrome highlighter. Dust off the excess. And now I'll apply the highlighter. So now as we are done with the highlighter, you can apply it over here also. So now we are done with the highlighter. Now we'll apply a lipstick. I am applying this Maybelline Superstay lipstick, Superstay ink lipstick. This is a very good lipstick. You can try your hands on this. I have done a video on the lipsticks also. You can go and just check it out. Okay guys, so we are done with the makeup. You can see we used less products and we have done such a beautiful makeup, and I have shown you how you can draw your eyeliner using foundation and your highlighter. I hope guys you like my video and this information was useful for you. Please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my video and share my videos. Okay, bye guys, take care, stay healthy.